First of all, happy Thanksgiving, all right, if you're watching this live or if you're watching this on a replay. Right now it is November 27 of 2024. This is a rather late Thanksgiving at the tail end of good old November of 2024 since the last Thursday. Man, it's clear at the end of November. But anyway, when I got up today, it was kind of cool because it is a Wednesday. All right, Thanksgiving is Thursday, and that's when we get paid every single week, okay? Usually Thursday morning, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, I just go into my Live Good Biz, and I click on the tab that says My Earnings, okay? And usually it'll say, okay, you made $1 billion, and I'm like, oh, this is awesome, okay? And then usually by noon, 1, 2, just in the afternoon, it'll usually be funded. Okay, now I'm in America, I'm in Utah. I configure my account with a very, very big bank. Okay, so I don't know if that helps, being in America with a larger bank than a smaller credit union or whatnot, but we get paid every Thursday. But today's Wednesday, so I just wanted to say thanks to Ben Glinsky, our CEO. He seems to always do something pretty cool, and that is pay like a day or so early on big holidays. If I remember right, on Christmas Eve, which is normally the 24th. Some people on the 23rd, they shop like crazy. You wait to the last minute. Who loves waiting to the last minute to buy anything Christmas oriented? Okay. But I appreciate that Ben gets his supercomputers out, and he owns the software that calculates all of our money for 1.6 million people. And to pay every week is outstanding. And guys, I'm not kidding you. Every single week, if you join Live Good and you get a couple sales or you have a commission coming to you, guys, I'll tell you what, when you get paid every week, it's just nice to know that if you have your cell phone bill, or maybe in this case, Thanksgiving, okay? Because a lot of people host Thanksgiving, and that means you got a slice, if not $100, $300, $400, $500 to buy a turkey or some stuffing, or my gosh, those eggs, those little eggs that you put the little cream in, are they deviled eggs or whatever? Those are my favorite. I used to not like stuffing, and now I love the darn stuff. But turkey is not cheap. Thanksgiving is not cheap. Travel, parking, hotel, all right, a very expensive holiday, but it is important to be thankful, okay? So anyway, just wanted to say thank you, from me to good old Ben Glinsky for releasing our money a day early to help those that could use it. Okay. So anyway, all right. Well, back to biz. If you want to look into Live Good, you can go to CoryDraper.com. You can go to joincory.com. I have a lot of domains, and they all point to joining and getting more information about Live Good. Okay. If you're on my YouTube channel, just subscribe to it because I have thousands and thousands and thousands of videos that all point right to Live Good. Okay. So if you're interested, please just watch some of the videos. Get a hold of me. I'm not shy. If we need to talk on the phone, we can. If you need to email me, Cory@CoryDraper.com. And on Facebook too. Just go through my inbox. Okay. You know what to do. But it has to pertain to Live Good. Okay. And let me just discuss what I've learned about the last year and a half about the almighty Live Good and network marketing or affiliate marketing or MLM type marketing. I have a big old opinion about all three of those categories. Okay. But I think you can do Live Good. That's why I don't mind putting in the time of just creating a video like this where I can talk to you folks, hang out. All right. Kind of talk about a little something, something in this case. Thanks for paying us early. Okay. But I will email you as well. Everything I do to be successful. I'm currently number 27 on the leaderboard out of 1.6 million. And I'm nearing 400 people signed up. All right, just directly underneath me. And I want you to get a couple people real quick because I want your money back. Whatever amount you join with Live Good, it could be $49.95 or $139.95. $49 is a one-time $40 fee. And then you pay $9.95 per month. Or if you want to just get a year of membership, 12 months, by the way, for the price of 10. Okay, so for $99.95, boom, you get a year for the price of 10. But that $40 is what makes it $139.95. I don't make any more or less, guys. You join according to your budget. Okay. If you want to pay by the month, awesome. If you want to pay by the year, that's cool too. Okay. Well, anyway, let's just wrap up this video. All right. This is probably a shorter one. In my case, I usually like to do 10 minutes or longer, but in 5 minutes, I think I kissed enough butt to the CEO, Ben Glinsky. All right. That runs and operates this bad boy, massive endeavor called Live Good. Okay. So that's it, guys. I don't know. Usually I put up a business card and I don't have one to put on my screen. So how about if I just hold one up? This is easy. Can you see it? Sometimes the light. Joincory.com. Go there anytime, or go to CoryDraper.com. It'll all lead you to my businesses, especially the Mighty Live Good. All right. Well, be thankful. I know I sure am. Okay. Have a great holiday. And if you're in America, have that old happy Thanksgiving. Okay. Don't eat too much. Don't explode. And then we'll get you healthy. How about that? Go ahead, do a little pigging out on the food. And if you get a little overweight during the holidays, that's okay. All right, we'll get Live Good in your guts and make you just, I don't know, get to where you need to be with your heart. I don't know, how about your heart rate, your blood pressure? All right, do you have diabetes? Are your feet numb when you're walking around? Do you feel like you need to lose some pounds? All right, join Planet Earth, guys. That's just being a human. Okay, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. That's the easiest way to just watch all these crazy videos that I make, okay? All right, guys, happy Thanksgiving. And run if you're a turkey. Like if you're a jive turkey, just do a little dance and then run like crazy because people try to eat you here on Thanksgiving. Okay. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.